Let me demonstrate how to replace the display on your Nintendo Switch. You can find spare parts and tools in the video description. Remove 4 Y-type screws on the back. Another Y-type screw is hidden under the support. I recommend organizing all the screws so that you don't get mixed up during the repair procedure. Don't forget to remove the Y-type screw, which is located on the side close to the Nintendo game card slot. And also remove the Y-type screws located under the stickers next to the charging port. And finally, remove the last 2 Y-type screws as shown in the video. Now you can remove the cover. Remove one marked cross screw and the flex cable located under the sticker. Remove 6 more cross screws. After you have removed the metal plate, you should immediately disconnect the battery. Now, loosen the 3 marked cross screws. Use the spudger to loosen the connection cable by first lifting a latch and then carefully pulling the cable out. Disconnect the daughter board, then take it out. Now use a hairdryer that can be heated up to 60 degrees Celsius to loosen the glue. If the display is splintered, cover it with tape. Now position the suction cup and use a flat tool to move along the side edges. At this point, you can remove the display glass, the digitizer. If the display itself is broken, turn the device over and loosen 2 more flex cables. Now you can remove the protective film and start the installation. Either use double-sided adhesive tape or the appropriate adhesive foil. Don't forget to remove the protective film from the display. Remove the protective film from the new display glass as well. Now connect the flex cables and put the daughter board in place. Pay special attention to the cable with the latch. All the components are connected. Don't forget to flip the latch. Now screw the daughter board in place. Connect the battery cables and insert the metal plate. If necessary, you can renew the pink thermal paste. Screw the marked screws back in again. Now, insert the board of the micro SD reader and screw it tight. Finally, put the cover back on and screw in all the marked screws, including those on the sides. It was a pleasure repairing with you today. If you liked our video, subscribe to our channel. Spare parts and repair people can be found at kaputt.de.